Republic. Vice. Yenibi. Aeroplane be do enya mufe. Okuya to foreign affairs ne koshia no. Che Republic. Ghana Airways, Republic of Ghana. Yeah, dear way. Education Minister Aaron Adrisu say what the Kasai more thing ama Ghana Tertiary Education GTech said they should issue a firm instruction to all public universities to, as a matter of urgency and immediately halt any unauthorized hikes in tuition fees. Yeah.
My view was that because Ghana have never had a scholarship authority bill, I wanted to work 1 year, see what scholarship will do, deal with this nepotism and chronism associated with allocation of scholarship, provide for some discipline. But believe me, my most impactful lunch as minister was when the no fee stress was launched. I had good sleep that this was an impactful, meaningful social intervention of the president. And many of you sitting here, colleague MPs, you know how much you spend in paying school fees when the period comes. You get demands. So, but just to send a caution, Chairman, the Director General of GTech is here. I've seen some schools increasing their fees because government says it's absorbing them. We won't accept it. So make sure you issue consequential instructions to your schools not to take advantage of that.
Okay. And so abetwem and our no say steps are underway. Say national security e bra say COVID by and omo de omo cars bi koboa national security. Also okogina de COVID-19 bre no. Say education ministry the cars bi koma omo. Now they are going to retrieve. Makachom said they should hand over.
COVID
at the public accounts committee.
As you yourself rightly observe, COVID, the country had to go through some national emergency in containing COVID. And probably at the time, national security required those vehicles. You know, government procurement. You couldn't have been waiting that go through procurement of 1 to 3 months to get vehicles to release to national security. They needed to be around the country to support health emergency staff in fixing and supporting the delivery of health services to those who required it. Chairman, I'm liaising with the Office of the Chief of Staff and the Office of National Security Coordinator for the retrieval of those vehicles.
And no kwajiwade wo na okotoye. O take stock what ma take stock ye. Na Sam George and so and our kasa say there were some unusual high expenditure recorded for Ghana Post. Now, only the who say financial mismanagement of the economy under the Akufo-Addo government, politics as usual.
Because the mismanagement of the economy by the Akufo-Addo administration, because a lot of the increases, you know, Ghana Post pays a lot of airlines for the transporting of the parcels that we send to Europe and the United States, and we pay that in dollars. So when you saw the mismanagement when Ken Oforiatta, Abina, and co were at the finance ministry, and Dr. Baumia in charge of the economic management team, you then saw that...
Respectfully, Minister, stop it right there. Just go straight to your question and answer, and don't be name calling. You understand? Minister, please answer the question. Oh, when this was there, Minister, I don't think that is how we should be here. You are here, you have been here before. I have been where you are before. Let's just go straight to the point.
I'm guided, Chairman.
Thank you.
So in 2023, when the CD depreciated, you realize that because we're paying in dollars, if you were paying a fee of $100 to an airline and the exchange rate was 8.
Okay. My husband's vision has always been clear: to create opportunities and jobs for the youth. One I can say, Mrs. Christiana Japan. Canada Japan who can ni and ya break the first lady do that.
Ma this say me ba say ye ni enoboa me say you no bi mo ame na me so me no bi emo am say ye ma ye so ye party no fapemo fa ye campaign ye ntoma e sefom ni ato store mu ni eja ye ma ho ye pia emoa e dia pia ye dwuma ya na ho ayeden unya loan kakra e dia pia wadwuma e ho ayeden uye kuya na unya kuya e ho enema fertilizer ne niema dia bo a e ho ayeden baseminu bedi enobo na ye nyina ye ni beso a agisi yekura tumi ntiawie ne baya ma de sedense mum ye ni noboa no bi muame na me so me no bi muam January 31st abana ayekoto no yenda ache ho aba
mpa deputy constituency secretary for Esunafo South and campaign secretary for Canada Japan in Esunafo South Erica Jemai has announced his defection to Baumia's team. Now how's the defection team bem? Yenti no e.
Ma make nyina ne say. Empepe am be no ka say. Me na me ye constituency campaign secretary Emma Era Kennedy Japan ene mejai. Because the Bible says you may see the truth and the truth shall set you free.
Yo. IGP orders CID headquarters to lead probe Obekaya Nemos for said Nemos or said Nemos. There was an attack on the director and team at Widiam, Sutifi North. Na Oma invite MP no. Sutifi North ye hwan MP be ya. Kokuado. Se womra. No meboa no muntimi nya nhwehwemu. De ye ya asojafo ene apolisifoɔ ne ade a yato omudin 9 months yakoma bom so omunko galamse attack pa call wo so around na IGP wo public account committee na abna asare ebusa ne kosabi I think was it Tafu area already and I say to me police attack our police station. The obetimi aya IGP betimi aya ne say obe close to police station no ni ade. Is that the only thing the IGP can do? Say why no bia there is a mob attack on the police station assess niema osimatum for about 3 months 4 months about 6 months ye and is he not going to arrest the perpetrators and deal with them? You see, IGP, see, he's going to bite. When you invite MP, no, one more was here, Chiwamona. You have the TV, see. Just say, Yamin Kwa. Our police needs soldier need to more. The Lands Minister Imarama Kofi meets with Speaker Abambabin and Interior Ministry to investigate an attack on the Naimos team at Widim. And also so Ebet Ahonma, Woman so Etusa and Namono. About Nonson Ufia. Memamuna Chimakwaba, Abeja 4. My able men. I now say Asantewa. I said my able men, then you're laughing.
I said, of late, you know, I said. Me but you have been very concerned about me, and that is good because I think that
in fact many issues have been concerned about it.
Yeah, so I don't want to say it because
what done no
Sometimes.
Or Park Wonka Kinky, what or Dokuno?
Sometimes I have remembered myself that I am before the speaker. The speaker who is very arbitrary, very, authoritarian sometimes.
Hey!
And he can do anything. And I'm measured with my words anyway.
Ladies and gentlemen of the press, I have no comment. Ladies and gentlemen of the press, I have no comment.
As it pleases my Lord.
I have no comment. I won't say a word though. Friday is coming, eh?
It's a very good word, a very serious word. That Friday is coming.
When the speaker, I am here and I said Friday is coming, you want to read minutes into my Friday? So now the speaker can't talk.
Yes. There are 5 days in a week. Why only Friday?
I decided to choose a Friday. What is Friday?
Boss, my way that's at the pay that yeah, team for her for I don't pay. If I send me her a year, President John Dramani Mahama visitor Nansay a year heads of state a hodo Eddie Tuano a year Mohanum. Me who is a very good move. A very reflecting your mahudu P Eddie Ama your multilateral ne bilateral partners are ye new mo Edi Juma. Why am I saying this? Because private institution be and I say investor be ehunu say ne head of state any Ghana cordial relation any Ghana some very conducive environment omu relate it alone sends some message say any ye kopie sa man mu ho na ye de sika ko shem ye ko dijuma ye benya good returns in the sense say ye face how be since your head of state anampo your president the Ghana president relate well no e be to me aboa ama in terms no any challenge be a one more face to me I resolve. So I think it's a good message send it across and a good message can editor other countries womani enya sa relationship he say if these people are going to Ghana, if these people are having this fine relation with Ghana, it means say woman so be to me I follow suit. Woman so be to me afasa kwan so etusa na mona e be to me aboa na the mesra ne say the Ghanaian economy no be take advantage of this heads of
visits. That's right.
Na the opportunities ahodo what amaya ahodo no eso no we can lobby ourselves in nanka ya tumi anyanya sa marketing no e di aba. However, one more investment now, we should look into it. Say, one more fire raw materials and some cobium. To say first, and they say you know more yellow. Say you good, say you cool, say you cashew. No, as for they be at least they should come and establish an you can't say industry. Be or had any factories a hold or had man. One more put to value into whatsoever. Womo be yen wo hanom sebe ya yen so ye be export to finished goods they akwa bontin na bo am a lot of forex nso abi pie mem ha e boa sanso a strengthen your economy no e give you hope na a throw light nso to a niema hodo nkitinkiti a ye nti se obi ba no kase oba be venture into your cashew oba be ye refinery waste be na fe or the export to it will again send a message say enye cashew nkwa na wo Ghana there are other materials a wahanoma say omo nso ba ebetumi aboa na fe so oman nso atumi take advantage of it. So I am very much pleased, I am very much happy say president 10 months ni na over India ba Germany nso aba no okọ China no okọ Japan ne South Korea na asefo na. I think it is sending a strong and a good message. Yeah, eboa sebe ye betwetwe sa investors yi amoma be pie ye kroma.
Okay.
Na keep to be on 9 months ne hwedie mu ensem. is a seminal aqua yemino, ye instead of who no quaseme wo because MP ni se no twam kwa yi and what tea de bi no offa now call horns with the hours.
I said now Oshama tranquility and prevailing.
With the hours suddenly and some local police station no twice no koye suddenly a betty say Honorable Collins Dauda and a order no so uncle and some incidents so I think the authorities should look into it deeply. Not you who assembly baby a done near farm concoto. My yanisa. Now they are not many G who party say a bass and even the NDC foot soldiers nimping for who do a bab on team because say tisadia yet. This is how we should govern a country. I was here who said the interest of the country first, not any political party.
Okay.
Thank
you very much, Jaco. Asante.
With regards to now more Sunisa James and many I just say minister now I say about speaker money because speaker catch Ghana for say this time around MPB everybody say will support to Galam say Biano on for home Encho and they say well report to speaker Klaus Betimati I mean another oversight committee because there are 2 members of parliament in the committee Omunina say boom
Collins Dauda
what I say and you know Omonti committee be name one na emputu fear into the the perpetrators and I say nipa omoye saa nyama we see anya saa na I say ye kanu saa kwa and the minister and so many
but say obi emprade
there is no apart from papa na be kasa say was in yankopon kwan nu kon fa so oje no nyama ye kon so say ne car ne nyama ne de nyina say
director no
panyimpa no panyimpa o nyese bi nkora kwa na panyimpa na o yes I didn't know speaker me nimre na omwa ma yemu says parliament Galam say na o ka say oboti say MPB support no obepam na say obetwi na so no onfa wenye test case ye hwem na say yampa say ne ho emomu a ema na ye hu ne mom no man me pese ase concentration of the investigation only as a MPs no nso nko a emabunu so a omototo sa ne
that is where the problem is Asante
eba MP na kwa ko one
na mabunu fra party ntino na ya said yiyani which is wrong
and this MP no akwa kasi say statement e wo back in Kenya on my chronological event they see ya wo boss oyiru say onimu wiu na one day onimu ho hwe honorable conduct so onimu ho hwe a emabu na say car no so e
wo mo so ye hunu
wo video we ntimi nchi obi from now the last best 48 hours ye nchi obi a ebasade a you are embodied na say the fight against illegal mining no I say because when see achieve for best 20 this year ebe inform other people somewhere say say they say
can we see no say we don't can name us dey be two ni
sir now almost so empanifo so name us empanifo we say you were backing in the year adwuma so
because we see grofo bi so amotwen wo mo obi kura beti wa anye careful obi kura ka say dey to mo hwedie no kresa
ye be say dey ayemo no so at the empanifo ema ne nyehwe bu ada keke omuntu ho na mo ne mwa ne ne manko say omampanyi mama ne feni say
a German president
this is German president when CCD Angela Merkel Angela Merkel rule in Germany almost by 20 years what transfer check and
no president nko
like chancellor no what transfer check pa say
Angela Merkel was a chancellor. We a German president.
And German and Ghana relations or mine.
Mostly the presidents, they are mostly ceremonial.
Yeah. President, you know. Dear, Mose Omanpenyi Kufuor time bi ba.
Yeah.
Any President Biane Ghana relations over the years, no, it's been solid. German and Ghana any problem. But means of mine trading aspect, no. And I form. Means of Omanpenyi mama or call your catch a channel for say mon pesa trading regime ye be boma Ghana team di nyama akọ omo ho nkyere omo ne ye ho nkyere ne adade by German so what is how are we taking advantage of German because German for omo ne African relations all these years no aboama anema akoso ama anema nti Omanpenyi mama me hu die beti menya afiri omo ho because oman say Omanpenyi ne funu krom ba ha eno ne so ufuru mamu ko on difference wom se bibia ni ho anka aman bebrebe o ma ewiase o man panyin na events the president na or Germany or Ghana ha. Definitely have gone to another country over Ghana ha no. And it's because of Ghana relatively a peaceful democratic situation on Ghana ha na aboya ma sa ne ma we nyina akoso ma yenya ho mfaso ntino after German for omanpanyin mama say Ghana Africa na say after no about 1.3 billion population
obetima benefit
enya Ghana nkwa na oye product ba ha be say trade ni be koso all other African countries nyina be take na Ghana so na headquarters ntino we stand the chance to benefit from this after trading system ntino yen koso mo na me de me kada say oman mabuna enya adwuma ye ne die adwuma de sa na menka German zuma mpanyi ba ye nursing ye police sanyema no how could we take advantage ye mabunu so etimi akobi konya Granada nkwana omo space in terms of health sanyema no nyina ye hu se ye regular system ye ko ma wonim se Ghana abaika se wo ye orenje ye to ho se bia me nurse say we peace deal no me say nye health deal with all these countries 3 years bia obi kwa
you be
oba na emabru ni mpanimfo na be retire ye get any system any structure nti nipa ne ko wa kosua sabi German for how mutimidi
within 3 years no
say yare ne sanema no na omo ti hwe mfidie sanema nyina ekọ woni mra ho so no ye betimi asua German for sabi nimdi omode ya pomde US for de all these countries na yenso ye de na ye de aka ho ebe bo mo e ma na koso
thank you very much yeah
abota ai nemos of we asemia yeke mesre the Minister of Interior and the Defense Ministry ne Parliament ne ade ni nyina akonta the fight against galamsey no say ebeji egu a ejina investigations a ebe free sade we maba se be koyi susu a ejina investigations ebe free sade we maba and moreover so mo manenche was akota utie the commanding officer na or the boys no se utie commanding officer na or the boys ne call sa asutifio se hwan ho no a oka se e fro se hwidie mo na o se eyinyame nko na je wo mo akuta se military officer we heavily armed
our director na say we senior
officer e bia captain bi e bia major bi so no be ka se eyinyame na je wo mo a na akuta na chesade na omoko hu ye no na no de
the cowboys ni be ku
omo oyire no mo wo ma and motivational next time say you deploy troops aboma kwa amanfo mfa yade ene ne ma bi nkoyi yomo ano se ye call ye se bibi kokoto ya the committee no mo ke kan de kire enka bibi afimo me remfi se Major Adams Muhammad ye se ye bia
more vaccine
se ya ene kokoye
ujeli ni pan kwa
wakuno waji obi papa obi sebi obi maame obi BBF obi breadwinner bi e de free nsem committee no hwe no man kwankwe na gro akuta hwe sa video we ya epia bonte se yese se ohine kremufo hine bi owo ho no mo ene tu ni car ba police station ho na akuta so hwe omde military officers ni konyina no omo bu omo
and they were trying
boys ne bo police officers
just they be person omde macro
military officers no omo body omo ye nyina ne se
military officers ni
ye de omo ko no omo for police fo ni mu akokra no na eden nti we hwe no ma anye na grosem ne politics sem ne ho ahwan it is the survival of humanity you know any forest na yes ni bebrebe yes na yes no akuta set was to say
ya man penny your mama ni jejireje
yes
so jadie we na die we jinsem because as everybody is hailing the name of say it's a good thing
and omo video say de ba bonten and omo ko site anema omo ye ne ade a omo chechi omo na omo senior ne bi na omo make sure so mbe movies anema ne ngina de
forest e de hu kakra aba
and say boys way
ma ade we ya nyina it will embolden them as Asante is saying and they will go ballistic with them afebo say etuo nyina omo be exchange fire
ko baby na afia baby on bedru no na omo de hwidie mu for de we be example say mo ko hwidie mu kra no na boys kra no
wa de che hwidie
wa hwidie mu for mo ni nya de nkra timi ne mu gina and akota mo mfani agro
Mom Feni Agrokra. And say a say Susua, Akota military officer no so will be formed next time to fire.
Massa.
Or Moja
now say next time
say
they will spray them
spray omo. So next time be as investigations no one when ankoye next officers no yes say ja omo so omo kodo mo kosia bibi say biewa
ontra ongu answer
survival of you won twema say wo no na tuo no kuta ne sa no wo hwe o
adano na there was an interview be with Dr. Nyahota Makro. He said also no name us no crowd there on support. Name the military are training such a manner say Ghana per se.
Yes. Omutu
galam say ye to us.
Yes.
They should hand over when you give a military man a role, leave him.
Yes.
He is trained. He would know how to deal with that thing. Now would
what's on
Dr. Nyahota Makro says our name was now civilians now only the omupa to median say military inside no 1 month.
Yes.
Near we say obibeko and a ranica say human right no say that Galamsey man, does he understand what human rights is?
Yes.
Because that Galamsey, you know what human rights are saying, consensus and nipemu.
Yes.
Oh, Jane, no, this is what's human rights? Now maybe a president, and 1 month pay, 2 months pay. The whole nation medical state of emergency. I will be and I'll tell the police and the military, you know what? When you go there, do your do.
Oh yes.
I'm telling you. Now come on, say the videos member say the problem 10 5
even that's
the also on the one thing we are seeing.
That statement alone do the do. It was scare the people.
They love the Galamseyers more than any other person.
It's true.
Yes, because that Galamsey man very good.
Yes.
And you corner the Galamsey me. I want to say, "Oh, you put the money be a now."
Very good.
When you put a boy, you know, go when you Galamsey for that.
Debbie,
running.
Go for your baby, person Galamsey. You can
Nanka. Kroma no never go.
Oh yes.
Emma or Babi or ma or no. Okuta badi kobobi. Nempna. Gala.
Akotentina nipa bebre so fi say Galamsey fight we no. Siyama community no. Communities no. And lead your mother. Na kwa say ye the soja ni efri nkra efri Kumase ko no wakwa kwahye excavators wakwa kwahye chamfan ne wanwan no wasesa ne niema ko a ekina soja ni no wotena kromu anase okohye no no se bankre o se be Kumase no wagya ho no mako akotase ama communities na and lead your mother say gold na ese for no muntu na mom ebia ensuo ho de yensuo ni nyina asei mamu nko no na mom o de asase no asase pete no mo de mo nkoda mo nkodwiri na mo ntu go na mom ensuo mo de yesre mo so bi de chamfan esi ensuo no so mo yesade na nipa ne nipa bone fo mpam ye mo no
mo betimi kura mo nku no akota gradually ye benya ye ensuo no back na fe ya mo hunu then one man kwan say
so
concession
ebia ya ma
say mama ntrankwa ha edenara obi wo promo ha ebia otra kroma no fi se obeya me ya be stop ye nti wo kra obebo
ye ba na sensuo nani asesa mo amu ye adwuma ni nyina be stop mo obo se omo ano ebe make sure say ensuo no bia no wo ye bonsam opese ye adwuma boyen nti omo eno ebenya bibia
but as all of you are agreeing to this no say investigation no entime nyina ye. Yeah, the name is over.
Absolutely, because
I'm telling you.
And say insist, say omo insist, say soja for no nkoso anko ye moye ho say
we should brace ourselves for
ye besie funu pa.
I'm telling you. The idea was here. So director na the word you know.
Oh yes. Next time on chimo obia
so the near ono o se nyame na age no
oni maybe obo wa be kan
anticipate say this mob will happen.
Yes.
And obu diagrosu komeku omo enti we no sama anya ni ye next time so sinchina won kwa
ye besie funu
nya nipa 5 na mbefa wo mo
bi
they will na bad akama me me bob 5 tio
okay is it manso yakwesi so ne manso de
na oboase ura fi oboase
asanko
yawe ura fi oboase
yes
military ni bae no okay macho men bi ade
yes
they kill them
yes
oboase right after elections no
yes
they kill almost about 7 or about 15 people no they will kill you before you come to kill them we say efu omumu say na nipa no doso but the Koba said they were distant from the people.
Oh yes.
To say omo catch them say move and then crofone say omo nkomo rasia anka oye na si video.
Oh yes
na nka yituma bebre na wo
kasem foforo ki e kasem
omo nya careful e mabru so that youthful impetuousness mabru jinjan aba ye de ye pene ye betumi na ye the police ni bi aba na young boy bi so e gangalia wagini tuo na aba viral say omotimi police photo no ma me concept the military they are trained to
shoot and kill
act before Oma taking cue from Adams Mahama. They have taken a serious cue from Adams Mahama.
Oh yes.
Now they will not let you come near them. Ejira, what would you say? Omo koto from kuni pani bi.
Oh yeah.
Come the committee ni pa no amabi.
And akota nipa de ye bo ba ku mienu ba to from mienu to from a wo ye de ya mo bedwane.
Akwai. Na me nko.
Obo mienu mo se
na wanku
mo pe baby.
Na me kra de kame ma onku. You will disarm you.
Oh yes.
Your boko toje nipa be tan obi akotoje na moje tu tia. Wo do awso kutabo.
Obe.
Mi kutati okutabo. Erade we amabo. Ye na na ye homra. Emabru ni hweye.
Oh yeah.
Ye na na ye homra.
Oboche kakra ma kwame poku. Ye nya oboche so be faith.